Why is dashi so essential to Japanese cuisine? The answer lies in over 1300 years of history. In 6075 AD, Emperor Tenmu banned the consumption of meat in Japan. This ushered in nearly 1200 years of a culinary culture that sought flavor without animal products. As a result, ingredients like kelp, dry shiitake, gout stripes, and soybeans became basic for extracting dashi, the essence of umami. During the Kamakura period, Zen Buddhism and the vegetarian Shojin Ryori philosophy spread, enriching dashi culture. In the 13th century, Zen monk Dogen wrote about the using mushroom and the vegetable for broth in Tenzo Kyoten, one of the earliest records of dashi. In the 15th and 16th centuries, katsuobushi, dry bonito flakes production was perfected. Combined with the kelp from Hokkaido, awase dashi, a brand broth, was born. By the Edo period, dashi had entered common household and became the heart of Japanese cuisine. In 1908, Professor Kikunae Ikeda at Tokyo Imperial University extracted glutamic acid from kombu broth. He named this fifth basic taste umami, distinguishing from sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. Dashi umami comes from four key components. Glutamic acid, which is in the kombu, which produces gentle plant-based umami. Inosinic acid, which is in bonito, sardines, frying fish, brings rich saboi umami. Agodashi, frying fish broth, added a toasty, refreshing flavor. Guarinic acid in dry shiitake brings earthy aroma depth. Succinic acid, found in clams, scallops, mussels, and oysters, brings briny, ocean-like umami that added refreshing depth. When combined, these components create umami synergy, multiplying the taste. That's why kombu and bonito, or kombu and agodashi, taste essentially rich. Today, umami is recognized worldwide. Dashi transcends Japanese cuisine, inspiring chefs and house cooks around the globe. Dashi is a masterpiece of flavor, born from centuries of history and Japanese ingenuity. Each bowl tells a story spanning over 1300 years.